Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to talk about how to reset your camera settings on your iPhone. So let's just open my camera right now and see what it is wrong with it. For example, I added these grid lines. I also changed the default exposure settings and other stuff. And let's say I want to reset it to the default settings. So how I will do it? I'm closing the camera. I'm locating the settings application. I tap on it once. I go slightly down to find this general tab. What I want to do is to tap on it once and go all the way down for this transfer or reset iPhone tab. Once located, you want to tap on it once and then you want to press this reset settings at the bottom of your screen. Okay, so press on it, and unfortunately, if you want to reset your camera settings, you will also need to reset all of your iPhone settings. Make sure to understand that this option will not delete any of your photos or files or anything else from your iPhone, but it will reset all of your settings to the default settings, including the camera settings of your iPhone. Okay, so press on it once, you then need to enter your passcode, and then the process will begin. And I advise you to just leave your iPhone for a minute or two for this reset to be completed properly. Okay, and successfully. Alright guys, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.